Good morning, students. We are reading the chapter 4. The name of the chapter is Chemical Kinetics. Today we will discuss about law of mass action. Let us see, at a given temperature, the rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product of molar concentration of the reactant. किसी भी केमिकल रिएक्शन का जो रेट है वो मोलर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द रिएक्टेंट पे डिपेंड करेगा। जितना रिएक्टेंट का कंसंट्रेशन बढ़ेगा रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन उतना ही इंक्रीज करेगा। लेट अस कंसीडर द रिएक्शन A plus B will change into 2AB. Okay. Now, according to the rate law of mass action, okay, rate equal to rate is directly proportional to the molar concentration of the reactant. Okay, now we remove proportionality sign, then it will be rate equal to K into A into B. This is the equation of rate law equation. Now K is the rate constant and it will be the rate. If A equal to, if molar concentration equal to 1, if molar concentration of B equal to also 1, then rate of the equation, rate equal to K into 1 into 1, then rate equal to rate constant. Rate equal to rate constant. Okay, now if the rate of reaction when the molar concentration of each of the reactant, rate of the reaction when molar concentration of each reactant the concentration of each reactant is 1, then rate of the equation equal to rate constant, and so rate constant is also called a specific reaction rate. Okay, now there are some differences between rate constant and rate equation. Rate of the reaction means it is the speed with reactant are converted into product. But in case of reaction rate constant, it is the proportionality constant and it is defined as the rate of reaction when the concentration of the reactant is unity. ठीक है. Next, it depends upon the initial concentration of the reactant, or in case of rate of reaction rate constant, it is independent of the initial concentration of the reactant. Okay. Third point, the unit are mole per liter per time, but in case of rate constant, its unit depends upon the order of reaction, and you know order of the reaction or the power raised in concentration term. Okay, and the order of reaction may be 0, fraction and whole number, that means 1 2 3 also. Okay, thank you. In the next video we will talk about the rate law expression and order of a reaction, how order of the reaction can be calculated, and we also calculate the unit of rate constant for zero order, first order and second order reaction. Okay, thank you.